on my way to my specialist appointments today. So this, yes, this day's vlog is about maintenance and errands, I guess. I decided that I will visit all my specialists before the end of the year, which is not far from now. So today I'll be going to my dentist. I haven't gone since September and I have a few things to get done. So I'm going to do what maybe I want to do today. But we have to increase my and then for the I never decide for cough and choke till me a trot. Anyway, for the first time ever, I'll be going to a dermatologist. I think I had mentioned it in a previous video where I said that I had made an appointment here with Medome Creamier. I had made an appointment to see the dermatologist specifically to remove the keloid, the big ass keloid that is on my ear. I need to get rid of it, and it has been itching way more than normal, which means that it's growing too. So I'm going about that, as well as me constantly having fungal acne breakouts, which is weird to me, at least. I actually had to use a pokey wash, what we did have, what we don't use anymore, called Lactacid, on my face to get rid of the fungal acne this breakout at least. I don't think it has gotten rid of it per se, because it keeps coming back. I use it go away, my skin smooth, me can get rid of the hyperpigmentation, and then another cycle comes around and the same thing happens. So I don't know if I'm diagnosing myself correctly. Remember, send me a dermatologist. Yeah. So I need to go on about that, and I think I'm not telling a lie. Cardi B wait me when Cardi B say 32 and you still have acne. Girl, I can't control it. So I was like, okay, I'm going to take my skin in hand, because the other areas like my hair, my scalp, me take care of my scalp. See? Me take care of my skin below. But my face, me always say, maybe just find something, maybe just make something. I think it may be an internal issue. So we are go at the specialist to see how the story is set up. Back way, front way, side way, we don't know. Yeah? And I will be following to a T and checking up whenever I need to. I didn't get a chance to set an appointment with my gynecologist. I went to him before I went on vacation too, because me I say me I do all I'm gonna checks them before me go away. I don't know. This year I have been taking my health, and it's just sincere, From 2023, I have been taking my health more seriously, and it was a part of my vision board for 20 years. The vision board I made in 2022, taking care of my health was a top priority, and I have been keeping to that, so I'm glad for that. Like it! Okay, sorry, I'm so sorry. I've only had coffee this morning, which is a habit now. Anybody want to know me know Chantal have a problem eating? So that's something. I think I'm going to go to a nutritionist as well, because I don't know, I don't have an appetite per se unless it's close to my period. No. From Johnny was a boy as a mistake, as a matter of fact. From baby stage, my parents can tell you, say, the little girl of I like feeds. And I have a lot of things that I don't eat or I dislike. Like, even if me hungry, me not eat it. Them kind of something. Not eat. Me prefer hungry, gas kill me. And if it is that I crave something, I have to get it because I'm not eating. Mind you, this is not something I am telling myself for the people who want to say. She just tell us, no. It's just, I just say stay. So, if I have company, like even somebody coming and they say that they'll eat dinner or whatnot, I will cook and I will eat the food. And that would be it. So, even if I have leftovers and something, majority of the time I don't eat it off. I will eat it 1 or 2 times, and I'm so tired of food. But we're hungry. We just don't want it. And I don't like wasting food either. So it upset me and hurt my soul. So sometimes, because of that, I will just not buy anything if I know that my appetite is kind of tight this time around. So I'm thinking of going to a nutritionist to see if I can get help with that. Maybe I need to go to the doctor first. I've never actually explained that to a general practitioner. Maybe it's a hormone. I could never from me. If may have hormone problems, but I don't know what the issue is. If you have this issue and something works for you, you can let me know in the comments, because I'm tired of it. I barely eat, and if it's in my belly big and the girl fats. I'm hungry now. Feel like I'm gonna stop and buy Chinese first. It might take long. I don't want to be late. I'm hungry, but I don't know if I can't remember what me to tell the lady if I not eat something. My stomach. And another thing too is because I don't eat, I have to have hyperfixations to eat. I will buy the snacks and eat them off instead of eat food. Some of them have no snacks either. I was not behaving like a decent adult. Now this truck have 3 big pipe. Plasket. Hey, somebody gone behind them. Them never watch Final Destination. Me say you never watch Final Destination, miss. Who ya? She bravery. Anyway, I talk you bye. So many things are just not going right. Or let me say they're not going according to plan. I was supposed to go to the dermatologist, the dentist, go to CPJ to pick up a few stuff that's, budget friendly buys. I got that. I went to go and renew my driver's license. I was supposed to renew my, what do we do? That's something there, the sticker something, registration as well. And I forgot by the time I went up to the cashier because I was sitting so long. Listen, so my derm appointment. I don't know if I can, me driven. See, that's huge. She said she recommends going to a plastic surgeon to get it sorted out because it's so big and they're going to have to do reconstructive surgery. I'm going to tell her, miss, you can left the hole in the ears, it don't really, really matter. She said, no, I want you to get the best. So, anyway, so you know what, $100,000? Because I had so many things to do today. I did Virgin Guan. Shabla wow. Right. To be honest, they admitted me very late into my appointment. I went there for 12 and I didn't get to see the doctor until about 12:40. And I had a 1:30 appointment with my dentist. No, look here, downtown Mobile always aggravate me. I couldn't find parking nowhere. I guess it's because at the holiday, I'm going to come on a Friday, my new member. So I refuse to can with an appointment downtown ever again. I'm not doing it. If I not fear you are somewhere outside of the town, me not go. Me not go charge me for. Me not going. Me not go. In fact, me don't know if I mentioned it earlier about my hair appointment. At first, I did lose this spot because I take too long to send the lady the wig because my shipping company sent off. That was is a whole story and a half. Anyway, I got my wig late, so I did lose my spot when I asked for. And then she messaged me and said somebody actually rescheduled, and if I want the spot, I'm gonna say yeah, come on. But I don't know how the nails stick and go.
girl go to hairdresser. Hot girl no sit down in a house and put her hair, yeah.
Jesus!
Hot girl no stay in a house and put her hair, yeah. You reach to the hairdresser, okay. Of course they can sit down and their hair one or two times, but like every day, nobody never seen our hairdresser shop yet. We are talking about hot girl.
And this is the final look. I love the color, the curves. Cynthia Baragara. So now I'm going to have to do my lashes. I'm considering to do my nails in terms of just getting a manicure as opposed to acrylic and all that.